New this morning, a Southwest Airlines plane was forced to turn around after experiencing some mechanical issues mid-air. Our Janelle Ford is live at Dallas Love Field Airport. Janelle, this came just hours after Boeing CEO announced that he's resigning.
Well, yeah, Cleo, what we're seeing is even more turbulence for the struggling jet maker as concerns about the manufacturing and safety of their planes just continues to pile up. Boeing knows that in order to regain the public's trust, it's going to have to do some major changes, and it's starting with a big shakeup of its leadership. Now, this most recent incident, it happened at Austin's airport. It was a flight scheduled to go to Tampa. The aircraft was a Boeing 737-700, so not the MAX 8 or 9s, which have typically been the more issue-prone planes for Boeing. The flight took off, was midair, and then had to return to Austin due to mechanical issues. Southwest says it landed safely without incident. There were no injuries, no reports of smoke, and once on the ground, the plane was taken out of service for maintenance. And look, I do want to put this into perspective. What happened on that particular flight isn't uncommon. Look, I fly a lot. I've been on several planes where I've had to do the same thing. But why we're seeing so many of these types of incidents making headlines is because of the allegations that Boeing has been cutting corners when it comes to safety, and that's only been heightened by that Alaskan airline incident back in January. Now, the New York Times reports Boeing has failed 33 of its 89 FAA audits. We've told you top airline execs are now demanding a meeting with Boeing's board of directors. We've learned that the chairman of that board, as well as the CEO of Boeing's commercial airplane business, are both leaving the company. So there is a lot to follow here, a lot of developments to come as this all plays out. Back to you.
I appreciate the update this morning, Janelle, as we turn to